Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to give you a kind of survey of our sustainable living system. We have a sustainable system around our home where we run a life model in an urban setting. The aim of this sustainable living system is to provide the family quality food ranging from lean white meat from rabbit, production of organic vegetable from our kitchen garden. You can see our little kitchen garden with variety of jute leaf, water leaf, and as I take you around, you are going to see more of this type of garden in the house. Freshly harvested vegetables, water leaf and jute leaf from the kitchen garden that is being fertilized by the digestate from the digester. So the weeds will be thrown away while the vegetable will go into the kitchen as a source of food to the family. So the system will start from the little kitchen garden that you are seeing, and I will take you around the house to see the other systems. Now I'm taking you to the rabbitry, where most of the rabbits we breed eat the grasses that were planted in the house. The first set of our rabbits, they are the one that you are seeing. Cute rabbits. And we have some of them here of different varieties of the rabbits. These are rabbits that are getting set to enter our pot, or some of them that are ready to be sold for anybody that is interested. Those are part of the things we plant around the house for the consumption of rabbits and for their health. This is the scent leaf. We have other variety of plants and trees that we plant around the house. This is another pot where we plant herbs for the rabbits. This plant is called the alfalfa. It's good for production of any livestock. We have another vertical farming setup where we have water leaf round the house. I will tell you what we do with all this in a moment and how we'll come back to it, because we started from the kitchen garden and we are going to end at the kitchen garden. These are the rabbits that are producing the one I show you outside. We have varieties ranging from New Zealand White, Isla Max. This is also New Zealand White, Isla Max. We have New Zealand Red, as you can see. This is New Zealand Red. And we have our male rabbit called Buck down here in different varieties too, as I've shown you. Strong and healthy rabbits, we have them here, and we collect their waste using what you're saying, and we use their waste for some of the things I'm going to show you in a while. You follow me along as we go. We have an automatic system where we put drugs and supplement for them, and they suck it automatically. It's an automatic feeding system. This is where we have winners, which are small rabbits that are just being weaned from their mother, like that. All this is with the aim of producing quality food for the family. Many people have been coming around to buy it, but our aim is to produce healthy meat for the family. This breed is called American Chinchilla. They are gray in color, and this is where we have a lot of them. The male are down, the female are up. All this can be explained to you in some other videos, so you can follow us to see other systems that we have. In here we also have rabbits in their cages. All of them are part of our sustainable living model. In our sustainable living model, we have rabbit as our source of meat, and the poo that is being produced from this system, we use them to produce or to solve our energy problem. The poo that we collect from the rabbits is soaked here inside water to turn the pellets into slurry, and on daily basis we use the slurry to feed our biodigester. You will see that I've been talking about biodigester for over 20 days now. This is our 1.5 cubic meter or 1,000 liters biodigester system. I'm not just talking about biodigester. I designed it. I've been using it since year 2020 to reduce the energy cost of the family. I will do a little tour of this biodigester for you to understand what we have here. We have the mouth, which is also the inlet for feeding the digester. This drum, this 1,005 liters drum, is also a digester. That's why we call it a digester. When rabbits eat, they digest and give us the poo. But we want to digest the food again so that we can have only nutrients that we can use for other things I will mention later. As I said, this is the inlet, like the human mouth where the food is being fed. We feed the digester through the mouth into the stomach, and we have other two outlets. One is for gas, like the anus, like the human anus. The other is for liquid, like the human urethra. So this upper one is where the gas go into the filter, or what we call scrubber. If you look at this scrubber with water, you see that it's bubbling. The bubbling is to show that the gas is being produced from the biodigester. You can see it. That is to show that the gas is constantly being produced from the digester. And the scrubber, the first one with water, will remove carbon dioxide, CO2, from the biogas, because biogas comes with other impurity gases like carbon dioxide, like hydrogen sulfide, or carbon 2, SO2, which is some of 4 oxide. So now the second filter has other scrubbers like iron that will remove the hydrogen sulfide, and we have silica gel to further dry and desulfurate the gas. The main biogas component is called methane, which is the one that we use for cooking. But we remove all the impurities from here and send into the storage bag. This is a PVC storage bag. This PVC storage bag is 3,000 liters or 3 cubic meter as can be called. So we have two of them. We have the 3 cubic meter, and we also have the support, which is the 2 cubic meter or 2,000 liters. So biogas is non-pressurized gas. We don't pressurize it, and we use it like that. It is this digester that produce the one you can see that is filled up. You can see it from afar, is filled up, ready to produce, to give us the gas for the house. So I will take you into our kitchen to see how you can see that from the storage tank, it goes straight into the house, and follow us into the house to see how our biodigester works. This is our biodigester stove. This is the biodigester pump that pump the gas from the storage bag into the kitchen. Now I would like to on the pump. The pump is on. You can hear it on. I will on the stove, and voila, we have our gas, and we can use the gas to start boiling our water. We can adjust the gas so that we can increase it, and we can also on the second face of the stove. Voila, you can see that the 2 burners are giving us blue flame from our biodigester. This gas is produced free from our home biodigester that we designed and we have been using since year 2020. By August, it will be 5 years that we'll be using the gas. You can see it. You can see it's heating our water. It's only water that we have here. It's heating it, and it's coming from outside. It's coming from outside. You can see. That is our biodigester stove that is giving us steady power cooking gas for over 5 years now. The investment was once in year 2020. We are just maintaining it, and so far it has been so nice. For more quality video like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, hit the notification bell, and comment sustainable. Thank you. Till the next time.